Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Instagram password in case you forgot it. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Open your preferred browser on your phone and go to Instagram.com. Once the page opens up, go ahead and click Log In. Here, click on Forgotten Your Password. In here, go ahead and input your username, phone number, or email address associated with your Instagram account and click on Send Login Link. You will receive an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Open your email address and click on the email you received from Instagram. In this email, you will have two choices: log in to your account without changing your password, or in this case, reset your password because you forgot it. Go ahead and click on Reset Your Password. Here, you will have to input the new password you want, and also have the option to log out of other devices, just in case someone else has already accessed your account. Complete this step and click on Continue. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Instagram password. I hope this video helped you, and if you need anything else, please leave me a comment and I will get back to you.